In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Netflix with friends online using Discord. Now, in order to do this, you guys could utilize the screen sharing feature that Discord does provide. So to do this, one person needs to be screen sharing and they also need to have a Netflix account. But guys, before you start screen sharing, you need to do a couple of settings in order to avoid like the black screen error. And basically, whenever you try to like screen share Netflix, for example, you might run into like a black screen and stuff like that. So if you want to go ahead and remove it, then all you want to do is you want to open up another tab. Then you guys want to look up Chrome and then settings just like so. So make sure you have it exactly like me. Then go ahead and just enter it in. All right, once you're over here, please go to the search bar and then just type in acceleration right over here until you see this option that says use graphics acceleration when available. So by default, it is going to be turned on and you basically want to turn it off. And then after you turn it off, go ahead and restart your web browser and then test it again. And it actually should work after you do that. So you should be able to go ahead and stream Netflix on Discord after you do that. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if that did work. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you later, French fries.